Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to witnessing the backwaters from the government boat jetty. It's a government ferry. The fare is just 9 rupees. Experiencing, sitting from here, experiencing these backwaters during the night time. You can see all the lights and how vibrant it is. You can see the lights that the boat is being driven by crew, full-fledged crew. The backwaters of Kerala, Alleppey. Government ferry for just rupees 9, only 9 rupees. As you can see, one village is already come. First stop. The first stoppage. I hope you've enjoyed this experience of a government ferry boat. Kindly like, share and subscribe.